Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what we need to do is, first of all, from your homepage of Shopify, we need to head over to our settings, and then you can see we have various options on the left side of our screen, and here the point of interest is going to be domains. So you simply need to head over to domains, since this is catering the different fields and options to connect our domain. You can see I have currently purchased this particular domain, and what we can do is connect our existing domain, which is on GoDaddy, of course. So for that, what you're going to do is simply head over to your GoDaddy account, simply type in here GoDaddy, and here make sure that you have already your account is set up and your domain is purchased, so everything should be ready. If you are using GoDaddy for the domain on Shopify, then you can click on connect as existing domain, enter in here your GoDaddy domain. It will be asking for some verifications that of course you can verify using your GoDaddy account. So it is really simple, and eventually once you do that, it will be connecting to your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.